Batteries. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those are attending in online. Please check it, guys. Guys, please confirm to me. All of you are getting my voice on screen. Those who are attending in online, please try to type in questions box. All right. All right. Good evening, guys. And today, just we are going to see some demonstration of Java programming language, what we have in a Java programming language and what we have to learn the Java programming language. What about our plan to complete this total Java programming language? These things we are going to understand today. Then after that, if time permits, then I'm going to start our actual content also. Right, sir. First of all of you please take this URL. Please take this URL. Everybody has to take this URL https://tinyurl.com/ core Java 730 PM notes. Okay. Notebooks. Notebooks. Open. All right, sir. Taken. Please check in our mobile browser one time. That URL. Check that one time. Are you able to access it or not? Just I want to know. Right, sir. I think so. We are getting this total document, right? Folder key we are getting, right? Fine. That folder access I have given to you regarding this URL. Notebooks. Notebooks, pens. Okay. So why this URL I'm giving to you? This is a URL to use in order to get your daily classroom notes. We can watch, we can view, we can access daily classroom notes through this. Understand it? Regular classroom notes I'm going to provide. Through this we are able to access. Okay. All right. That's okay. Fine. Guys, now I'm asking one question to all of you. At least basic awareness I'm asking to you. Try to answer for it. Why you want to learn a Java programming language? Any specific reason for it? Definitely, you need to have some idea, right? Before come for demo class, why you choose Java as a technology, as a programming language? Any reason for it? Okay. Any other reason? Java, Java, Java is forever. Nice, very good statement. Java is forever. That's why you want to learn it, right? Any other reason? Java is a free. Okay. So you are thinking about it. Java is a somewhat simple to learn when compared with other programming languages. That is one reason why, right? Okay, fine. All right, sir. Good. Okay, your intentions are good, but I can give final quotation to everybody. Whether directly or indirectly, it is somewhat related with money. Am I right? Either directly or indirectly, it's somewhat related with what? Money. Money in the sense you want to get good money. Good money. Good money in the sense we have to get job in good company. If you want to get job in good company, then we have chosen, we have selected the programming language is what there? Java. That's why now today you are coming for what there? Demo class. Am I right? Anyway, all together, finally, what I am telling there, getting very good job in a software industry. That's why we have taken Java. Nice, sir. Good. Your answers are okay, fine. Nice. But in general, okay, nice. Up to that, it's okay. But I'm asking one more question there. What is there inside the Java to learn? What do you have to learn inside the Java? Everybody will say Java is a ocean. We are unable to swim completely from one end to another end. Not possible. In the middle, we may lose. This kind of statements we are able to get. But now tell me, before come for this demo class, you need to have some idea what you want to learn inside the Java. Java is a ocean. But if you want to know what you want to learn inside the Java, if you want to know what you want to learn inside the Java, first you should know how many parts are available inside the Java or not. First you need to aware what are the various parts which are available inside the Java or not. Right, sir. So that's why I'm asking to you what exactly the parts which are available inside the Java. What parts are available inside the Java? In general, what people are giving information to me regularly, Java is available in three parts. Java is available in three parts. What are the three parts inside the Java? First one is core Java. In general, this is a general terminology, guys. In general, what we want to learn there? In general, what is there inside the Java? First one is what there? Core Java. Second one is what there actually? The second one is advanced Java. Second one is what there? Advanced Java. Am I right or not? Second one is what there? Advanced Java. Third one is what there? J2EE. In general, if we ask to anybody else in outside, how many parts are available in Java? Everybody will say what there? Three parts are available in Java. What are the three parts inside the Java? Core Java, Advanced Java, then what next one? No, J2EE. But before going to learn actual Java, you should understand how much this classification is right, how much this classification is wrong. Is this classification is right or wrong? Is this classification is right or wrong? At least we have to understand it clearly. Right. From my side, what I'm telling there, this is totally wrong classification. This is wrong classification. This is totally what there? A wrong classification. Please observe this point clearly, what I'm telling you. Right, sir? Can you please close the door? I think some work is going on in outside. Can you please? Right, sir. Now this is totally a wrong classification. Yeah, thank you. Okay, sir. Good. This is totally a wrong classification. I understood that. All right, sir. Okay, this is wrong classification. Can you tell me what is right classification here? What should be the right classification? Can you tell me that? No. All right. I'll give some clarity now. Try to understand it. Java is available with three parts, no doubt at all. But what are the three parts here? The very first one is J2SE or Java SE. First one is what there? J2SE or Java SE. Of course, we can call it as what there? Core Java. No problem. Up to that. No problem. We can talk it as what there? Core Java. That's the intention of Core Java also in the previous classification. And the second one is like what there? J2EE or Java EE. The second one is what there? J2EE or what next one here? Java EE. Understand it clearly? But now the J2EE or Java EE, we cannot say it is an advanced Java. No, we cannot say it is what there? An advanced Java. Understand it clearly. Third one after that, J2ME or Java ME. J2ME or what next one? Java ME. Everybody, observe carefully. Come on, guys. Now tell me, How many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts now? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. From now onwards, you should follow the same terminology. Don't follow the terminology like core Java, advanced Java, J2EE. It's a wrong terminology. That was not provided by Sun Microsystems. Clearly, I'm telling there, no concepts or no future or no course is available with the title what there? Advanced Java. This terminology, core Java, advanced Java, J2EE, this terminology or this classification was provided by institutes at Hyderabad. That's it. Hyderabad institutes only. Not only that, in the case of Hyderabad institutes, in general, I'm telling there, as per the comfortness of the institutes, they are creating this type of courses structure. But when we go for actual documentation of the Java, there what we are able to see, J2SE documentation, J2EE, J2ME, only these 3 things. Let me ask one question to me now. Let me ask one question to me now. Sir, you know already these points, no? The right terminology and wrong terminology, you already aware. But today you conducted this batch. Today you announced the batch today is what their core Java only. But why you are not announcing the batch which J2SE? Let me ask this question to me now. Yes, I can give some reason there. Batch announcement I have to give as per the public awareness only. What you know the terminology as per that one, I'm announcing the batch. But the moment when you take in first step inside my class now, I must give clarity on it. That's why I'm talking about this particular point. Immediately as a first point I'm telling you. Observe carefully. Say for example, if I announce the batch with the title J2EE or J2SE, for example, what will happen in outside now? Everybody, people are understanding in +2 education or intermediate education, there are some programs in Chaitanya Junior College or maybe Narayana Junior College at local. Some programs are available, IEEE programs. People are thinking about it that J2SE, J2EE is an extension of the IEEE program. Intermediate students will come to my classes. Understand it, what I'm telling to you. So that's why, as a first step, I need to announce the batches with the titles like that only. But when we have taken first step inside the classes, no, I must give the clarity, exact points here I have to talk. That's why the first step I'm talking about it. Java is available with the 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? No, J2SE, J2EE, and what next one? J2ME. Leave it. What J2SE will cover? What is this J2SE? What are the various points about this J2SE? If we come for this particular point, answers are very clear. Now try to understand it. J2SE, what is the abbreviation for it now? Java 2 Standard Edition. What is that J2SE actually? Java 2 Standard Edition. Nice. What the J2SE will cover for us? How much Java it will cover for us? What it able to cover for us? No. If you think about it, answer is very clear. It will cover only fundamentals of Java. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java. Only Java fundamentals are covered. Get my point or not? J2SE will cover only what their fundamentals of Java, not more than that. Observe carefully. This is one point here. Only one more point I'm telling there. If J2SE is covering the total Java, complete Java, what is the need of J2EE and J2ME? So, what I'm telling to you, J2SE will cover only fundamentals of Java programming. Nice, good. Observe carefully. After that, fundamentals of the Java, that's okay. Next one is what there. With these fundamentals, are you able to prepare any application? With only basics of the Java, are you ready to prepare any application? Is it possible for you to prepare any application? Right. If you think about this, answer is very clear. We are able to prepare one type of application, a section of a clear cut, one type of application we are able to prepare by using J2SE. The type of application is what their standalone applications. Observe carefully. What type of applications we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. So the point is what there? Right, sir. With J2SE, we are able to prepare we are able to prepare standalone applications. What we are able to prepare there? Standalone applications. Right. Then after that, standalone applications we are able to prepare. We are able to prepare like what there? Standalone applications. That's a point here we have to understand. Nice. What next one here? What is the standalone application? Understand that linked points, links I'm giving there. J2SE will prepare, J2SE stands for Java to Standard Edition. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java. By using these fundamentals, we are able to prepare only which type of applications? No, standalone applications only. Here we are able to prepare. Understand guys what I'm telling you now. Next one, after completion of this, what is this standalone application? What is the meaning of this standalone application? What you are able to understand the standalone application? I'll give some clarity now. Try to understand it. No, listen, all of you listen carefully. Then try to put concentration in class, sir. You're looking at notes only. Yeah, oh, use that notes as no. Don't use your notes as no. Then use that notes as. Durgasoft is giving notes as to you, right? Yeah, better use that. Right. Now let's move on to the content here. What is this standalone application? All of you observe this clearly. If we design and execute any Java application, if we design and execute any Java application, not only Java application, any application, no need to talk immediately. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, or without distributing application logic over multiple machines. Observe carefully. What's the point I'm telling here? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that applications are called what they're standalone applications. Observe carefully what I'm telling you now. If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture or without distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that applications are called as what they're standalone applications. Let's see this point here. I'm taking one simple diagram. Observe carefully. Nothing, sir. No client server architecture. That's my main point. No client server architecture. Okay. Only one computer. This is my computer or a mission. I want to say in general. I don't want to say computer. Then I want to say what their emission. Right now, this is like what their emission. That means that computer. Why? Because Java is not only for computers. Java is for what they're everywhere. Java is everywhere. That's why I want to set the mission. Inside this mission, I'm going to prepare a program. This is my Java application. This is like what their Java application. Now inside the Java application, we are going to write number of instructions. So many instructions here we have written. Now tell me, all of you now observe carefully. How many computers here we have taken? Only one computer. Have I used any client server architecture? No client server architecture. Client server architecture in the sense client mission, server mission. At least minimum 2 missions we required or not. But how many missions I have taken here? Only one mission. No concept like client, no concept like server. No concept like network. No concept like what there, sending request and getting response. No concept like protocol. First of all, in my computer, only operating system is available. Even internet connection is also not available. Get my point or not? There I prepared my program. There itself I'm compiling my program. There itself I'm executing my program. My program is asking some input to data in the same computer. I entered input data to my program in the same computer. My program is executed totally within the same computer. My program is giving some output to me within the same computer. The total scope of this program within a single computer. The program logic is not distributed over multiple missions. The program logic is not distributed over client and server. Everything is going on within a single computer. So this application, this type of application is called as like what there, a standalone application. This type of application is called as what there, standalone application. To prepare the standalone applications, we need J2SE. To prepare the standalone applications, what we require here? J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition. To prepare these applications, what we required here? J2SE, Java 2 Standard Edition we required. That's it. Now, this is the point about like what there, J2SE, we can understand. Nice. Observe carefully, all of you know. Next point. Right, so now this diagram is okay. We can understand it. What is the meaning of this standalone application? That's okay, fine. But what about this another thing here I'm telling there? Examples for the standalone applications are what there? What are the various examples for the standalone applications? No, so many examples are available. Understand it? No. Say for example, in my system, calculator application is available or not? Yeah, calculator application logic is not distributed over multiple machines. That entire calculator application is running within the single computer. It doesn't require even internet connection. Without having this internet connection, it able to work. I can open calculator, I can perform some calculations. Next one, after that, calendar is also another application is available or not in our system here. Calendar application is available or not? Right, sir. Now this is also be what there a standalone application. Why? Because it doesn't require internet connection. It doesn't require to distribute application logic over multiple machines. Entirely, that calendar program is running within the same computer. It able to give, it able to provide. Then it's a result within the same computer. Like this, paint brush app is available inside our computer, and so on and so on and so on and so on. All these are like what they standalone applications only. All these are what they're standalone applications only, not more than that. Okay, nice. Another point I'm telling you, try to observe this. Sir, in outside, so many software applications are available. Out of all these software applications, how many applications are standalone applications? Can you tell me? Out of all these many applications, no, how many applications are standalone application? Give some ratio for it, no. If we come with that ratio, I'm giving clarity. Try to understand it. The clarity would be only 5% of the applications are standalone applications. And outside, if we take any 100 applications, no, where only 5 applications are what they're standalone applications. Then immediately may get one question in our mind. Sir, only 5% of the applications are standalone application in the sense utilization of the J2SE is only 5%. Am I right or not? 5% of the applications are available about the standalone in the sense by using J2SE only we are creating standalone applications. So how much is the utilization of the J2SE in outside in the sense only 5%. Now we are learning Java, that is J2SE, only because of 5% of opportunity levels are marked. Understand my point, my question here? I think you might be have this type of question now. 5% of the applications are standalone. Means that utilization of the J2SE is only 5%. Utilization is only 5% in the sense job opportunities level is what there 5% only. Only 5% of the people required for preparing these applications. Okay, for the sake of only 5% of the job opportunities, now I'm coming for demo class today. Sir, getting question or not? Now today I'm coming for demo class only for the sake of 5% of the job opportunity, not for 95% remaining 95%, no. In general, people may have this type of question. Right, but I can give answer for you. Now try to understand my next point here. J2SE, that means it's a direct utilization. It's a direct utilization is only 5%. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, but its a dependency level is 1000%. This is our record point. It's a direct utilization is only 5%, no, but it's a dependency level is what there 1000%. How 1000%? So today I'm coming for a demo class, but you are talking totally mathematics. At some point you are saying 5%, some other point you are saying 1000%. What are all this? Is it a mathematics class or a Java class? Understand? I will give one small scenario to you. Then what is going to be happen in general in outside market? Here, just I want to give one simple example to you. Try to understand this example, all of you know. For example, one student completed B.Tech. Computer science or non-computer science, that doesn't matter. Later on I will talk with you. Software industry is common for everybody. Software industry is an open platform for everybody. So don't think about it. It's only for software engineers. It's only for computer science students, not for other students. No. First of all, come out from that opinion. Later I will talk about it. Now understand one scenario. One student just he completed B.Tech and came to Hyderabad. Then he's at junction actually. He want to get a job. That is his primary goal. To get job, what he learned in the colleges, no, it may not be sufficient. He has to get more. So he's at junction. He's thinking now what courses he has to take. He's in junction. He's thinking what courses he has to take. Understand it now? Okay, then he asked some persons in outside. Maybe his relatives or maybe his seniors or maybe somebody else in outside. He might be inquire about courses with somebody else. What that somebody else has given information. Are courses are very good at Amirpet and Hyderabad. Okay, number of institutes are available. You can join with any institute, but don't take Java programming language. I'm not depressing you. Think about it. I'm not giving any wrong words about Java. Understand my scenario. Somebody else may give wrong feedback to him. Don't go with Java programming language. He might be asked in innocent mode to the respective person why. He said to him, Java is taking a lot of time, more content and more programming skills we required, more coding part we have right now. You are unable to sustain in the software industry. You are unable to survive with the software industry with Java. Better go for some alternatives. He got some wrong feedback there. As per that idea, he's inquired about the courses in outside other than Java. Then somebody else has given information like what there are better to join with testing tools. There is a concept like Selenium testing tools. There is a tool. It is available for the sake of testing. Within 45 days, that course will be completed. In the next week, after 45 days, next week, you will get a job. Better go with that. Then that innocent student, what is thinking there? Okay, testing tools may be very much simple, where coding part is not available. So he is trying to search for the institute. These are those who are conducting testing tools classes. Finally, identified one institute. He went for the demo class. He sat inside the demo class. Trainer came. Trainer has started testing tools like what there Selenium testing. In the middle of the demo, he asked all the students, "No, how many of you are aware about Java?" If you know Java, then only you can continue tomorrow onwards. If you don't know Java, better to learn core Java, J2SE, then come to my class. This innocent student asked to the trainer, why? Why in the sense Selenium tool is designed on the top of Java only. If you want to understand Selenium, you must know core Java. Without knowing J2SE, not possible to understand. What is that student situation? He thought of it. Maybe Java dependency is available for Selenium. So Selenium is not suitable for me as Java is not suitable for me. Again, he inquired about some other courses in outside. Somebody else has given information. Selenium is depending on Java only. So don't go with Selenium. Now in outside, so many other courses are available. One of the best course at present is what there. Salesforce is one of the technologies. One of the courses going on there in outside. Better to go with that Salesforce. Then that innocent student, what he's doing there, again he's searching for institute to take a Salesforce classes now. Finally identified one institute. He went to that institute where he is searching for Salesforce class. Finally he went to the demo class of the Salesforce. When he sat in the demo class now, trainer came. Trainer first question he asked there, Salesforce is a tool designed on the top of the Java. If you know Java, then only continue with the Salesforce. If you don't know Java, don't continue with the Salesforce. That's it. Again, he came outside of the demo. He thought of it. I tried to come Amirpet, I tried to come Hyderabad to learn courses there, but somebody has said to me, don't go with Java. I forgot about Java, but when I went for Selenium tool, the trainer has given Selenium is designed on the top of the core Java. That's why he said to me, try to learn Java. I won't avoid Java, but Selenium is asking me to learn Java, so I don't want to go for it. Then immediately I went for what there? Salesforce. In the Salesforce, what happened? Again for Salesforce also, what is required here? Java is required here. Again, I have to go for Java, but what is the need of moving for the Salesforce here? That's why I want to remove even Salesforce also from my list. Again, he inquired about the other courses there. Somebody else has given information to him. Alright, don't go with Java, Selenium, and Salesforce now. Mobile application development is very, very good nowadays in outside there. Android is one of the mobile platform. Better to learn it, you will get very good opportunities level. As per that feedback again, he went for some Android courses demo class there. When he went to that Android courses demo class, in the demo class, the trainer has given information there. If you want to learn Android, you must have Java knowledge. Without having Java knowledge, not possible to learn Android. Please try to complete your Java, then come to the Android. Again, student is revert back. What is situation now? No Java, no Selenium, no Salesforce, now no Android. Then somebody else has given information, forget about all these things, better to go for SAP tools, SAP, ABAP or HR or something else now. Again, we went to the demo classes there. Again, in the same SAP demo class, also the same situation is repeated. If you want to learn SAP related tools, in the ground we are using Java, so better to learn Java. All of you getting my point or not? Then as per that, somebody else has given information to him. Why we are trying to learn Java? Why we are thinking about all these things? No, nowadays Python is very good. Better to go for Python. Somebody else are giving that information. Better to go for Python. He went for Python classes now. There may be trainer might not be given information, but in general, what is the discussion of this Python is what there. If you know Java, Python is nothing. But if you don't know Java, Python is somewhat difficult. But really, as I took the classes for Python and Java both previously, I'm telling there to learn Python, Java is not required. But this is unfortunate, and some rumor is going on in outside. To learn Python, Java is mandatory. People are saying that, but not required. Really not required. Python is different and Java is different. But if we take Python here, what is going to be happen nowadays? No. Nowadays, if we take Python, what is going to be happen? There, more than Java, we need to put efforts. Learning Python in the sense, we must go for data science. Data science in the sense, minimum 1 year we have to spend time. It's not much easy. Your academic background should be very good. Mathematical background must be very good. Then only you are going to understand the data science effectively. Algorithms implementations we have to analyze there. Data processing algorithms we have to analyze there. So more than Java, effort we have to put. Moreover, if you observe this, how many jobs are available for freshers in the case of Python and data science? No. No. Data science in the sense, definitely every company is looking for experienced people only, not fresher. Very, very less number of requirements are available, not up to the Java level. There also be some negative feedback is coming there. There also be the point is what there. If you learn Java, then come for Python, it is very easy. Without having Java, if you come for Python, it's somewhat difficult. This kind of rumor is going on maybe. Again, is thinking about it. So at any cost, if I want to survive in software industry, as per the experiences of all the demo classes, finally decided we have to complete core Java first. Then only you may go for what there other technologies. Otherwise, it is not possible. Not only the student point of view. Now here itself, I am confirming that without knowing core Java, you are unable to survive in software industry. Every developer at present, every developer must know Java programming language. Guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Right, sir. 1 minute now. Try to understand it. Guys, those who are attending in online, at the end of this session, I will give some doubts clarification. Don't worry. First, try to understand it now. Right, guys. Now, all of you observe carefully. So, finally, what is the conclusion here now? J2SE direct utilization is what there is only 5%. But it's a dependency level is what there 1000%. Why, sir? Why it is the case now? it is a dependent technology for the other technologies, and tools, like other technologies and tools like what other technologies and tools here. If you observe this clearly, J2EE, if you want to go for J2EE application development in Java only, J2EE application development, if you want to go there, definitely we require what there? J2SE. Next one is like what there? Selenium tool. If you want to know that Selenium tool, definitely we require J2SE. Next one is what there? Salesforce. If you want to understand there, again here what we required here, the J2SE part is required. Apart from that, then what next one can know? Android. If you want to understand Android, then what we required here? Some other content here we required here. That means J2SE we required, and so on and so on and so on. Only few examples are given there. So many examples are available which are dependent on what they know? J2SE. That's why J2SE is what? J2SE direct utilization is only 5%, but it's a dependent platform. It's a dependent programming language for so many technologies and tools in the future. So finally, what you understood from this particular one here, you must learn J2SE or not. Must understand J2SE or not. Then only we are able to move forward in the next concepts clearly. Right, sir. Now these are the various points here we have to understand clearly. Good, nice. Let's come for the next one. What about this next one here? Now the second one is what there? J2EE. Everybody understand this one here? J2EE. Guys, now tell me, what is J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. Similarly, what is this J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. J2EE, what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Nice. J2SE covers only fundamentals of the Java. J2SE covered only what there? Fundamentals of the Java. Am I right or not? But J2EE will cover, it will cover server-side programming. It will cover what programming there? No, server-side programming. J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java, but J2EE, main intention of J2EE is what there? Server-side programming. Observe carefully, guys, what I'm telling you now. Next one, after that, after completion of this, all of you observe carefully, after completion of this, by using server-side programming, or before that, by using fundamentals of the Java and J2SE, what type of application we are able to prepare? Standalone applications. In J2, by using J2SE, what type of applications we are able to prepare? Only standalone applications. But by using this server-side programming, with the J2EE, we are able to prepare, observe carefully, distributed applications or enterprise applications. At present, we can understand both are same, distributed applications or enterprise applications. What type of applications we are able to prepare now? Either distributed applications or what there? Enterprise applications we are able to prepare by using server-side programming. Guys, I'm asking one more question, now try to answer for it. Everybody, understand it now. What is standalone application? What is the definition we have seen there for standalone application? Tell me. What is a standalone application now? If we design and execute any application without using client server architecture, without distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is called as what there? Standalone application. Similarly, what is this distributed application? What is the meaning of this distributed application or enterprise application? Observe carefully. If we design and execute any application, if we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture, or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, client mission, server mission. application logic is distributed over multiple machines, then that application is called distributed application. Distributed application, or another one is like what there? Enterprise application. Enterprise application. Any name here we can use at present. If we design and execute any application on the basis of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple machines, then that application is called a distributed application or an enterprise application. Sir, got it or not? What I'm telling there? Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Any example for a distributed application or enterprise application? Any example for it? No. Nowadays, everywhere, any example if we take, that will come under distributed application or enterprise application. But some examples here we have to understand at least. As we understood standalone applications, similarly we have to understood something about like what their distributed applications are and enterprise application. Let's see this one. All of you guys observe carefully. What's the point I'm telling to you? Understand it. All of you understand these points? No. Examples for it? No. Say for example, all banking applications are distributed applications. All banking applications are what they're distributed applications. Point number one. All banking applications are what they're distributed applications. Next one, after that, all social network applications are distributed applications. Social network or social service applications, whatever it may be, different. Okay. So applications are distributed applications. All, like what I'm telling there, after completion of this, all e-commerce applications are what they're distributed applications. And so on and so on and so on. So many applications are what they're distributed applications. You have list, endless list is available. Some examples, can you tell me, sir? Then we have given some examples for distributed applications. No, can you tell me what are all these things actually? What these examples here? Now tell me. Banking applications, for example, I want to give some elaboration or try to understand it now. I have an account with ICICI Bank. My friend has an account with HDFC Bank. I want to transfer 10,000 amount from my account to my friend account. What I have to do now? First of all, I have to open my computer where I have to open a browser where I have to type www.iccibank.com. Online transaction option is available. I have to select it. Where I have to go for username and password, I have to enter. My account will come. Transfer amount option is available. I may click on it. One form will open. Inside this form, I have to give my source account details and as well as what their target account details. From account to account. Both the details we have to provide. Where specify the transfer amount. 10,000 is specified. Click on transfer button. Amount is going to be transferred. But how, sir? I'm sending a request to ICICI server-side program. ICICI server-side program is open my online account with me. Where when I transfer the button by providing my details and my friend account details there, ICICI server-side application is contact with is sending request to the HDFC server-side application. HDFC server-side application will perform some work there. It has given some acknowledgement back to ICICI server-side application. ICICI server-side application will finish the remaining work. At final, it will give some final notification to me regarding amount to transfer successfully. Myself is a client for the ICICI server-side application. Here, me and ICICI server-side application is what their client-server architecture. ICICI server-side application is a client for HDFC server-side application. Again, they are having client-server architecture. HDFC server-side application and my friend got some notification from the HDFC server-side application. Amount deposited in your account like this. He got some notification. Amount debited notification I am getting there. He is a client and that HDFC server-side application is available. Their client-server architecture is going on. Between me and ICSA server-side application, client-server architecture, ICSA server-side application and HDFC server-side application, client-server architecture, HDFC server-side application and my friend computer, again it is what there? Client-server architecture. It's a full of client-server architecture or not? It's a perfect example for distributed applications. Is a perfect example for what there? Distributed application. Leave this one now. Next one is, let's come for what next one you know? Social network applications. I think all of you are having Gmail. Gmail accounts are available with you, right? Tell me, what is the Gmail account here? Is it any standard application? Is it a standalone application or is it an enterprise application or a distributed application? Is it not server-side application? Definitely, the Gmail server-side application is available at Gmail server. It's available maybe at some other location. All we are having accounts. When we open the browser, www.gmail.com, request will go to the Gmail server. Then it is sending some login page to us, where we may enter what their username and password and clicking on what their login button. When you click on login button, again a request will be submitted to the Gmail server with your username and password. At the Gmail server, username and password will be checked. If you are the right user, your account page will be open to you. There you may click on compose button, there you may click on inbox button, there you may click on outbox button, any activity what we require, anything we can click. When we click on it, automatically request will go to the Gmail server. Gmail server is giving required response to you. Is it not client server architecture? Definitely, it's the client server architecture only. Leave this one. All e-commerce applications are what they're distributed applications. Observe carefully. Say for example, I want to take a mobile phone through Amazon.com. Amazon is one of the big e-commerce application. Right, sir? Is a very good vendor, e-commerce vendor. Now, Amazon, when I open that Amazon.com, where automatically I'm getting like what there, some menu list I'm able to get. If I search for mobile phone, OnePlus or something else, one phone, if I search there, automatically number of list, very good list is coming there. When I click on OnePlus 10T version there, automatically I'm getting that OnePlus 10T related data. Then if I click on like place order like this, no, automatically request will go to what there, that server side application. It is accepting my request and it is giving some acknowledgement to me. Then payment gateway is asking there. Then try to click on pay for this mobile phone. If we click on this pay, automatically is asking about your bank details and all account details. No, you may provide some UPI number or maybe account details you may provide there. Then after that, click on pay some payment there. Then when the payment is completed, finally we are getting some confirmation. But here also every activity is going on through client server architecture only. When we click on pay some amount there, automatically request will go to what their server side application. Server side application is doing some process and giving some response back to the respective client here. This also be client server application, distributed application only, not even that. All food delivery applications are distributed applications. All food delivery applications, you know already nowadays might be very much trending in outside. Number of so many food delivery apps are available at present. Maybe Swiggy or maybe Zomato or maybe something else, Uber Eats, something else. Not only that, nowadays might be transport domain. There also be every application is what there, distributed application or enterprise applications only. Uber cabs, for example. I get my point or not? Like this here, so many, everywhere nowadays, all the applications are what there, distributed applications only. Now guys, I'm asking one question to all of you now, try to answer for it. How many applications are distributed applications in outside here? How many applications are distributed applications? No, nearly 95% of the applications are what there, distributed applications. 95% of the applications are what there, distributed applications. Observe carefully. All right, sir. Now these are the points here we understood about like what there, J2EE. Understand my point here? Few concepts I'm giving there. Now tell me, J2EE stands for what there? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. It will cover which programming there? Server-side programming. All right, which type of applications we are able to prepare with this? No, either distributed applications or what there enterprise applications here we are able to prepare. What is this distributed application here? No, if we design and execute any application without, that means on the base of client server architecture or by distributing application logic over multiple missions, then that application is what there distributed application or an enterprise application. Number of examples are available. Our banking applications are distributed applications. All social network applications are distributed applications. All e-commerce applications are what they're distributed applications. Like this, so many everywhere we can identify what they're distributed applications. Now 95% of the applications are what they're distributed applications. But if you want to develop distributed applications, J2SE is mandatory. If you want to learn and if you want to use J2EE for your application development, what is mandatory? J2SE is mandatory. Right, so now this is one thing here we can understand now. Leave this point here. Next one is, third one is like what there? J2ME. J2ME. All of you observe carefully. What is J2SE? What is the abbreviation for J2SE? Java 2 Standard Edition. What is the abbreviation for J2EE? Java 2 Enterprise Edition. Similarly, what is this J2ME? Come on, guys. Java 2, what next one? Micro Edition. Don't say mobile edition. Micro Edition. It is not mobile edition. Right. J2ME stands for what there? Java 2 Micro Edition. Look this one. By using J2, that means J2SE will cover only fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover what there? Server-side programming. Similarly, J2ME will cover micro programming, chip level programming, micro programming. J2ME will cover what there? Micro programming. Right, sir. That's okay, fine. Micro programming, no. By using fundamentals of the Java, we are able to prepare standalone applications. By using J2EE, we are able to get what type of applications? No, server side. That means distributed applications or enterprise applications. Might be I have not shown the diagram here. I'll show the diagram. Don't worry for it. Next one is, by using J2ME, what type of applications here we are able to prepare there? We are able to prepare mobile-based applications. By using J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications. With J2ME, we are able to prepare mobile-based applications. Then immediately we are getting a question, sir, what is this mobile-based application? Any definition for it? Simple, very simple point here. If we design and execute any application on the basis of mobile hardware architecture, if we design and execute any application on the basis of the mobile hardware architecture, then that application is called mobile based application. Mobile based application. Observe carefully what I'm telling you. Then that application is called as what there? Mobile based application. Everybody understand it clearly. All right, sir. This is the meaning of like what there? Mobile based application. Sir, any example for this mobile based application? No? Yes, we have number of examples. One example I'm telling to you, observe carefully. I want to keep some food item as an order in Swiggy. I have only mobile phone now. What I have to do? If you want to give some order for food item through Swiggy, what we have to do now? First of all, we have to open our mobile phone. There we have to search for Swiggy app or not. If it is not available, then what we have to do? Go to the Play Store, where search for Swiggy, then Swiggy is identified or not. When you click on that Swiggy button there, now it is installing, now it is downloading, then after that it is installing in our device. That means one app is installing or not. That app is installing on mobile phone or not. Okay, after installation of that, if you click on it, automatically it will be open. There it is taking our details and it is showing some menu items. There we may select one item. We may click on what there. We may place that item in the order. App is installed on our mobile device or not? That app is running on our mobile device or not? That application is called as mobile application. That application is called as what there? Mobile application. Understand it now? Not only that. I think nowadays might be everybody is using like YouTube videos, Java articles, for example, Java tutorials are available in a web. A number of tutorials are available. For example, my classes are available in YouTube. I want to watch my classes there. I will open that YouTube. In the case if YouTube is not available in my system, in my device, what I have to do there? Again, I have to download and install YouTube app or not? That YouTube app we are installing on our mobile phone or not? That is called as what there? Mobile application. Get my point or not? Now similarly here, Facebook, comma, then what next one here? YouTube, and so on and so on and so on. So many apps are installed. So many apps in mobile phones. In mobile phones. All these are like what there? Applications for what there? Mobile based applications. But observe carefully, I'm giving one more point here. Everybody understand my point here. Mobile based applications are, listen this point here, it is important, no? Mobile based applications are having very good demand. Mobile based applications are having very good demand, but J2ME is not having any demand. J2ME is not having any demand in outside. J2ME is almost all dead in outside. J2ME is what they're dead in outside, but mobile application development is having very good demand, but J2ME is not having any demand. Why? Because due to the number of alternatives for mobile application development. So many alternatives are available for mobile application development. Due to that alternatives, no demand is available for mobile based, that means J2ME. But for mobile application development, number of alternatives are available. Best example is Android, iPhone. When these technologies are coming into the picture, Android or maybe iPhone or Swift or maybe these many, when these alternatives are coming into the picture, then there is no demand for what their J2ME. That J2ME is almost all outdated at present in mobile application development. Everybody will go for either maybe Android or maybe iPhone technologies or maybe different content. Not required to understand like what their J2ME. How this J2ME is available at present? No, if you touch any Java developer in outside, what are available in Java? Everybody they used to say J2SE and J2EE. That's it. Nobody will talk about what there J2ME. Almost all dead in outside. Even we are also be not required to talk about J2ME. Always we have to talk about what there J2SE and J2EE. That's it. Right, guys. Now these are the various points here I'm telling to you about this content. Try to recognize this. Okay. I think so. All of you might be aware about it. From today onwards, how many parts are available in Java? 3 parts. What are the 3 parts? No? J2SE, J2EE, J2ME. J2SE abbreviation, Java to standardization. J2EE abbreviation, Java to enterprise edition. J2ME abbreviation, Java to micro edition. J2SE will cover fundamentals of the Java. J2EE will cover server-side programming. J2ME will cover micro programming. With J2SE, we will prepare standalone applications. With J2EE, we will prepare enterprise applications or distributed applications. With J2ME, we will prepare mobile-based applications. That's it. This is the fundamental content here we have to understand. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my points now? Right, sir. Now, let's understand this. Anyway, today you are coming for demo class there. On first day itself, I don't want to give more technical details here. At least now we have to understand what about our plan about to complete these courses, what Durgasoft is providing, especially what my classes are beneficial to you. That one time, we are going to talk today, no, just 5 minutes. 5-10 minutes, I want to give some points to you, now try to understand it now. Right, guys, all of you observe carefully. First of all, I'm telling to you advantages of these courses. Advantages of this course. What advantages here we are able to get, guys? Especially I'm telling you when compared with outside, what Durgasoft is giving, especially what my class are providing benefits to you, one-time commitment. Now let me explain that all the points here. After that, I'll give clarity for you. What about our plan about to conduct these classes? I'll give that one also clearly. That very first point, guys, I'm telling to you, observe carefully. This is might be you're expecting. I think so. The support is not provided by any outside institutes, no, but Durgasoft is providing, especially myself, my classes. I'm providing this kind of service. Every session is being recorded. So we will provide every class video as a backup. This is the main thing. How much it is important for you and why I'm telling this point here in the first class itself. No, my philosophy is what there. Once you are taking a step into Durgasoft, that should be the permanent solution. That shouldn't be a temporary solution for you. One time if you learn courses at Durgasoft, in the next 20 to 25 years of time, you should not come back for courses at any other institute. The permanent solution and life settlement solution we are going to provide. As part of that permanent solution, the first step what I've taken for both offline as well as online people there, what we are providing there, just we are going to be provided every class recorded video as a backup. It means that these videos are only backup purpose only. Don't make it as primary. Your primary thing is what there? Attending the classes, live classes. Physically, you have to attend for the classes. In the case, if you are missing any one-day class there, videos backup is available there. We can watch that video. We can understand the content before come for the next class. This is the main idea of providing this backup videos. That is one reason. Second reason is what there. In the case, maybe due to your college work, maybe due to might be your personal work, maybe you may leave from Hyderabad, you may go to your hometown. Maybe 1 week after we are unable to attend for the classes there. This is a permanent solution. Understand my point? What I'm telling there. Every day after the class, within 1 hour, you will get video. After the class, within 1 hour, you are able to get video. We can watch that video every day. Understand my point? Then come for the next classes care if it is possible. But because of this video support, you should not leave from the classes in the middle. You should not terminate your classes care because of this video support. No. If you are attending these classes, then only you are able to get what there video support. Or else maybe unfortunate, not unfortunate, fortunately, if you are getting job in the middle of the course, you have to leave from Hyderabad to Bangalore. You have to go for Bangalore for the sake of your job purpose. Unable to continue these classes there. Then what is the solution? No, videos classes can. So multiple advantages are available. No training institute is providing this video support for the offline and as well as online students. No, but we are taking responsibility to provide what there all the video support. Remember this up to my classes. I'm telling that this all the points I'm telling about what there my classes. Try to recognize this. This is one point here. Next, another thing is like what there what I'm telling there. For every course, there should be a material, PDF material. PDF material will be provided. For the offline students, a soft copy, sorry, for the offline students, a hard copy will be provided. Of course, it is a chargeable little bit. Xerox cost our office people will take and they will provide that hard copy material. Then for the online students, soft copy will be provided, that PDF materials. Understand it clearly. That's what I'm telling to you now. Right, sir. Next one is after that. Moreover, I'm telling there, this course is for both offline and as well as an online content. This course is going to be available for both the students here. Throughout the world, people are attending these classes now. Here also be people in offline also we are conducting these classes here. Anyway, next one is after that. Understand clearly, right, sir? Then free access to the classroom notes. Whatever the notes I'm preparing at present, no, that notes is accessible for everybody. I given already this URL. Already you are given that URL. At least if you open that URL in the browser, you are able to see the classroom notes. Clear-cut notes I'm able to provide. I said you already PDF material I want to provide now. That's a predefined material. Maybe few months back or few years back I prepared that material. I'm sharing that. Apart from that, every content, every word which are coming out from my mouth, everything I'm going to put in the classroom notes. The classroom notes, at least if you study now, you'll understand betterly the content clearly. Everything I'm going to make in the form of document. Right, so free access to the classroom notes and free access to the classroom applications. In the classroom, I'm going to prepare so many applications here. Big and big applications I'm going to prepare. So I will show that applications in front of you. I'm able to give that applications access to you. I'll give that applications content inside our notes, or maybe in the access I'm able to provide that. We can view that applications. We can use that applications now, just for the sake of your reference. Of course, if you watch the video, their application development is going on. There we can watch it. This is one point. Then another thing is like what there, every application is a live development, live application development. See, in general, what people are doing there, applications development, what people are doing there, because of the time consumption, people are going to prepare applications at their home. People are going to share that applications to the students now. But that approaches are not going to be happen. I'm able to type in a fast manner, no problem. I can prepare the applications, even the big application. In some situations, you can see that applications, maybe 2 to 3 days of time, only application development, completely big project I will take. That application development I'm going to show in front of you. Live execution, every application should be provided in a live execution care we are able to get. Guys, all of you get my point or not? So live application development, not to show previous batch applications. No, in front of you I will take the requirements. In front of you I'm able to type the programs. In front of you I will show how to compile the program. In front of you I'm going to execute the programs. Everything I'm going to show in front of you. That's one thing I'm telling you. Next one, guys, after this live application development, next one is observe carefully. Working with IDEs, multiple IDs, not like in a single ID, multiple IDs. If you go for working environment in any company, definitely everybody must work with IDEs only, not with what the editors and all. So what are the various IDEs I'm going to be cover here? IDEs like Eclipse IDE, then what next one, IntelliJ IDEA, then what next one here? NetBeans. Mainly which IDs are going in at present, that IDs I'm going to discuss. The major IDs in application development are what there, two IDs there. What are the two IDs? Mainly Eclipse and what there, IntelliJ IDEA. Right, sir. In core Java, I'm going to show both of them. NetBeans is not sufficient to go for core Java. NetBeans will be used at a J2E level. When we have Maven tool idea, then only we are able to use what there? NetBeans. No, otherwise not possible. But before that, Eclipse and IntelliJ IDEA, both I'm able to use. But one IDE awareness is sufficient to work with all other IDEs there directly. So this is one thing I'm telling there. Then after that, after completion of this, observe carefully. On every topic, we will conduct a separate test. A separate test will be conducted to check your knowledge, topic wise. I think today might be at 6 o'clock, might be I conducted one test. For other people, I conducted one test. That means on the basis of the topics. One unit if we complete there, on that unit, we are going to conduct the test. By that, we are able to understand how much you understood the content and where we are in that particular topic. So you can measure your knowledge about your learning process. Right, so now this is one thing I'm telling there. Next one is after completion of this, that another thing is like what there, working with multiple servers. Definitely working with multiple servers in the sense, not at core Java. When we go for advanced Java, maybe J2E level, there we are able to use working with multiple servers like what there, Tomcat, we are able to use. The next one is like what there, WebLogic. Next one is like what there, like Wildfly, and so on. Maybe Glassfish, some other. So many things are available. Working with, we are going to work with multiple servers whenever we are using J2EE kind of applications there. But in core Java, no scope to use different servers, no. But in J2 level, we are going to discuss about all the points here. That's one thing. Next one, guys, observe carefully. Next one is what there. Then after that, all of you observe carefully. Working with, if you go for advanced Java, if you go for JDBC, database interaction is mandatory. So here, working with multiple databases. Majorly here, what are the databases here we are going to use for Java development? Oracle we are going to use, MySQL we are going to use. These two are mainly we are going to use the databases there. Apart from these two, what I'm going to use there, maybe MongoDB we are able to use, and so on. Some other NoSQL databases and some other. When we go for Spring Framework or Spring Boot or microservices, no, in-memory databases also I'm going to use there. But I will give that clarity. Whenever I'm going to use that, I'm able to give some clarity for it. Right, so like this, so many benefit here we are able to get about our content. Understand my point clearly? So real application development we are going to see, then real-time use cases we are going to use in our classes there to elaborate the concepts. Right, so now these are the concepts here. These are the advantages we are able to get. You can understand it, maybe one or two, maybe I may forgot it, no, but on flow automatically we are able to get all this support clearly. This is the point here I'm telling to you guys. And one more thing, try to understand it clearly. What courses here we are providing behalf of this class today? Today I'm taking this demo class there. What we are providing there? Try to observe this clearly. Now here today I started this demo class for nearly 4 batches. 4 batches is 4 types of batches now. Right, understand it. One time here I'm telling to you. Now batch 1 is purely what there, only core Java. This is batch 1, purely what there, only what there, core Java. So if you're looking for only core Java, today is a demo class. Just first class here I've taken there. Later I'm going to continue the content here. This is one thing. Next one, today itself I'm starting one more thing, that is batch 2. That is what there, basic Java package. Basic Java package. Packages. Maybe you can go for either of these. Packages, no. Inside this basic Java, what concepts are available here? First one is a core Java. Second one is like what there, advanced Java. Then after this, Oracle. Then after that, basic UI technologies. Basic UI technologies in the sense what we are able to get there: HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery. Then what next one here? And then Bootstrap and so on. If any basic level, not Angular, not React.js and all. Leave this one. Now this is like what I'm telling there, basic Java package. Similarly, batch 3. Batch 3, here we are conducting another one. This is like what there, complete Java package. Inside this complete Java package, what courses are available if you have to this? First one is again core Java. Second one is like what there, advanced Java. Third one is like what there, Hibernate. Fourth one is like what there, Spring. Next one is what there, Spring Boot. Then after that, next one is what there, microservices. Then after that, next one is what there, web services. Web services. Apart from all these things, then another thing is like what there, real-time tools. Like what these real-time tools care, we can observe this clearly, Maven and Log4j. Log4j, as per the requirement, maybe JUnit or maybe Mockito. These things here we are able to cover. Then after that, apart from this, another thing is like what there, Oracle, and the next one is like what there, basic UI. All these things are going to be covered inside like what there, complete Java package. Observe carefully, guys, what I'm telling you now. Next, anyway, this document is accessible for you. Even after the class also, we can watch it. There we can see what exactly the batches I'm covering, then which batch is required. We can take the decision here anyway. Right, so now the next one is batch 4. Nowadays might be this is very good in outside market here. Every company is looking for this one only. What is that one here? Full stack Java. Full stack Java developer. This is a trending in outside here. Every company is asking about full stack Java developers nowadays. Inside this full stack Java development, what courses here we are going to be covered? Observe carefully. As usual, core Java. Next one is like what there, advanced Java. Next one is like what there, Hibernate. Next one is like what there, Spring and Spring Boot. Spring Boot. Next one is what there, microservices. Then after that, web services. Apart from this, Maven and Log4j. These two things are also required. Then apart from this, Maven and Log4j, next one is like what there, Oracle. Then after this Oracle, basic UI technologies. Then after that, either Angular or React.js. Observe carefully. Even these two things are also existed here. Either Angular or React.js, that we can understand. Then after that, after completion of this, next one is what there, after this. Right, sir. Either of the courses here, either Angular, React.js. I think so. Maybe for the last full stack Java batch, we are providing support for both the technologies. Maybe if the students are interested, we are ready to provide both of them. But in general, either of this one is sufficient for it. Next one is after that. What next one here? Like testing tools. Testing tools. After this testing tools, next one is what the Linux operating system. After completion of this one, cloud we are going to provide one cloud tool. AWS we are going to provide. Amazon Web Services we are going to provide there. Then after that, DevOps tools. Number of DevOps tools are available, maybe 7 or 8 number of important DevOps tools are available. That all the DevOps tools here we are going to provide. Now this is the total full stack. If you understand the total full stack, like from 1 to 50 number of courses, now end-to-end project you are able to prepare. And a company end-to-end project you are able to complete anything. What they are given information, what they are given work to you, any type of work you are able to prepare. You are becoming as a super developer in the companies. Understand it, guys? So that's why every company is looking for what their full stack Java development nowadays. Observe carefully, guys, what I'm telling there. Okay, now this is the content here. See, if we observe the content here, these are the various things here we are getting there. After completion of this, next one is, all right, now let's come for this one. Definitely durations will be available as per the courses only, as per the batches only. If it is a core Java, minimum 3 months of time I'm going to take. Why? Because my course content will be more content I need to be covered. Especially I'm telling one more point here in the advantages now. Observe carefully. Another point here, what I'm going to be included there. All right, sir. We are able to cover all the courses up to the latest versions. This is an advantage we are able to get. Example I'm telling to you, observe carefully. J2SE, we will cover what version can know at present as of now 19th version is available. So I'm going to cover up to Java 19th version. In the software industry at present, which version is going on? Maybe 8 onwards. Some companies are 8, some other companies are 9, maybe 10. 10 is also not all the companies here, very less number of companies only. Still majorly 8 and 9 versions are going on. But at present, which version is available? Top end no, 19th version is available. So I'm going to teach Java up to 19th version. At the end of the course, you can see the up to 19th version in our classes there. Everybody understand my point here. But before completing your course, if Java 20 is coming there, definitely I will discuss about what the Java 20 also. It's a matter of one day to update for me about to update updations care. Then I'll update it. Then definitely I will teach that content inside the classes care. Like this, similarly every course up to the latest versions care we are able to get. When a software industry is going to use Java 19, do you have any awareness on it? At present 8 to 9, 10 versions are going on. When a software industry is going to use Java 19 version there, to use Java 19 version in the software industry, it may take minimum 6 to 7 years of time. It will take nearly 6 to 7 years of time. Maybe 6 to 7 years of advanced concepts here we are trying to understand. So because of that reason, we are able to get benefit of attending these classes there. Up to the latest versions here, we are going to understand. Right, sir. Now this is one simple example I'm telling you. Now try to understand it clearly. Right, sir. Now in core Java, J2SE, that means Java 19th version, we are able to understand. So depending on that, definitely durations are going to be more. Definitely I need to take more content. Right, so this is one point here. Next, another thing is like what I'm telling to you. Classes are mandatory from Monday to Saturday. Classes are mandatory from which day to which day? No, Monday to Saturday per week. Get my point or not? But depending on the situation, we are able to conduct more classes even on Sundays. But I'll give that prior intimation, but not immediately. Not immediately. If the situation demands for us, if our syllabus is not in right track, so definitely I'm going to utilize that Sundays classes also. Why? Because now we are in Java, not any other testing tools kind of course here. Content wise, more content we have to discuss there, so that duration will be more. But to reduce the duration, we are going to conduct classes on what their weekends. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Okay, fine, right. Listen, guys, apart from this, I'm telling one more important point here. I given some courses here. Have you understand this clearly? In all the batches here, I'm giving some courses there. Right? Alright, sir. Now I'm telling to you, my name is Nagoor Babu, and what courses here I'm going to take out of all this. Full stack Java development is available. Nearly 15 courses are available. But what my courses here actually, what I'm going to teach there, we can understand core Java, advanced Java. Next one is what there, Hibernate. Then after that, Spring. Next one is what there, Spring Boot. Next one is like what there, microservices. Then after that, web services. Up to these are mandatory for me. Only myself is a resource. I'm going to take these courses. Attending all these courses with a single faculty is also an advantage with you. Core Java, if you attend on one faculty, advanced Java, if you come at other faculty, there may be some drawbacks may be available. Conclusions might be different. But if you are attending these classes there in a single faculty there, then definitely we are able to get some advantage. This is my participation about our full stack Java. Remaining courses will be taken by remaining trainers. Remaining courses will be taken by remaining trainers, guys. Observe carefully. Then what about my schedule here? Just 2 minutes. Let me complete it now. What about my schedule of taking all these classes here? Understand it now. I have a fixed schedule for it. Observe carefully. Here I'm going to give some schedules information to you. Guys, observe carefully. I'm going to utilize for my classes, that 6 or 7 classes, Java related, no? I'm going to utilize 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. and another slot is what there, 7:30 p.m. to 9 p.m. 9 in the sense maybe depending on your requirement, 8:45 or 8:50 like that, I'm able to finish our sessions here. Don't worry, especially in the point of girls. I think so 9 o'clock it's okay. Regular timing only. In general, maybe night debate maybe regularly it's going on, right? In the case if it is a problem, don't mind for it. Give that information to me 10 minutes or 50 minutes before we may plan for it. I'll adjust the timing here. If it is a case, if it's a problematic thing in outside, right? Otherwise, they are the 2 slots here I'm taking now. Observe carefully, guys. One important point I'm taking to you. Now try to understand it clearly. Now observe carefully. Core Java, just demo classes here I'm going to take. At what time there? 7:30 to 9. I'm taking what there? Core Java demo classes now. Today I'm conducting this class here. Please recognize this is a small adjustment here. Today class I'm taking there. Tomorrow also we have a session, Saturday, right? I will start directly subject. I will start directly what there. The next orientation, second class, I'm going to start that tomorrow. After that, Sunday. This Sunday is a gap there. Monday, please remember this. What I'm telling there. Monday onwards, I'm going to take 2 slots for you. First, listen what I'm telling there. Monday onwards, I'm going to take 2 slots. What are the 2 slots here I'm going to take there? Observe carefully. 6 to 7:30, I will take. Okay, 7:30 to 9 I'm going to take these 2 slots. I'm going to take there. 6 to 7:30, that means 7:30 to 10 classes are going on next 15 days of time only. But Monday onwards, here 6 to 7:30 classes are going to be happen continuously up to the remaining part of the course, remaining part of the core Java. That means what I'm telling there, up to the end of core Java. Observe carefully, guys. Finally, what I'm telling there, introduction classes are going on at what time there? 7:30 to 9. Actual course is going to be start at what time there? 6 to 7:30. Your final timing, your permanent timing for core Java is what there? 6 to 7:30. Please recognize this change. Only the change. Otherwise, I don't have any restrictions for it here. Okay. After few days of time, now core Java, that means mainly core Java is going on here. Observe carefully. Here core Java demo class next to 15 days of time is going on here. Core Java will start at what time there? Monday onwards. That core Java will take like at what time here? No, at the 6 to 7 that I'm going to take the classes here. I'll understand my point here. Okay, now here what I will tell there, after 15 days of time, after 15 days, maybe after few days of time, after Pongal, in the maybe 3rd week of the January, I'm going to start advanced Java at what time there? 7:30 to 9. Definitely. Then Java, 2 courses we have to do parallel. Then only we are able to understand it. Core Java and advanced Java, both the courses we have to do parallelly. That's it. Observe carefully here. Next one is what there, after completion of this content here, advanced Java is going to be available here like this, no? Meanwhile, here core Java is going to be completed or not? When core Java is completed here, there I'm going to start like what there? Spring framework. There I'm going to start what there? Spring. Next, after completion of the Spring, next one is what there? Spring Boot. After completion of the Spring Boot, next one is like what there? Microservices. Observe carefully. But here, whenever this advanced Java is going to be completed here I'm going to take what there? Hibernate. After this, what I'm going to take there? No, web services. That means in that way, I'm planning for my courses, whatever it may be. If you want to complete that full stack Java or complete Java or whatever it may be, then we have to assign two timings, two slots for me, 6 to 7:30 and 7:30 to 9. In these two slots, I'm going to complete the total courses in this particular context. Guys, all of you get my point or not? Okay, sir. Like these sessions are okay, no problem there. But I want to complete a bit more faster time, more fast if you want to complete there. My courses are going on Java course at morning time also. Understand here? But if you know Java already little bit, maybe after the Pongal, I may start what their frameworks, Hibernate or maybe Spring framework. I'm going to start there after Pongal festival. There, if you want to join with that, if you know already core Java and advanced Java a little bit now, if you want to plan for it, then we can plan for it. Yes, guys, all of you are getting my point or not? Okay, then I will give that information there. When to start at morning classes there. If you have already knowledge on Java, if you want to start at morning classes there, I'll give that information a bit more faster. We are able to complete our courses there clearly. Clear? All of you know? Right, sir. This is one thing. But only the restriction from my side is what there. This core Java actually demo classes I'm planning at 7:30 due to some adjustments. Right. Monday onwards, I'm going to take core Java class at 6 to 7:30. Actual content I will start. Basics are not required to start core Java actual content there. 6 to 7:30, I will start that actual content there on Monday onwards. But 7:30 to 9 only introduction classes, theory classes. What theory classes know? Differences between Java and C, C++, Java features, how to install Java software, how to install Edit Plus. This kind of content I'm going Java features. This kind of topics I'm going to take. Theoretical part I'm going to take at what time there? 7:30 to 9. Actual course, language fundamentals topic, how to prepare if conditions, how to write for loops, and how to write while loops. All the concepts I'm going to take on which time there? No, 6 to 7:30. I'm planning for it. As all of you get my point or not? So that to understand if conditions, for loops and while loops, no, not required to go for any technical prerequisite. So the required theoretical part I will cover at what time? 7:30 to 9 o'clock. But actual course, the practicals and everything I'm going to start at what time there? No, like directly 6 to 7:30 timing here. Guys, all of you are getting clarity on this, what I'm telling you know. So don't have any other thinking about it. Now try to follow the schedule, then we are able to complete our course. All right, sir. In full stack Java, up to 7 courses I'm going to take the responsibility. Remaining courses are going to be start right from morning to evening. Wherever the possibilities are available for you to attend for the classes, you can schedule in your own way, you can attend for the classes. If you take that full stack Java, nearly 15 courses here we have to cover. Java dependencies I'm taking there. The total Java mainstream I'm going to take. Oracle at any time we can start. UI technologies at any time we can start. Angular or React, DevOps or Linux, all are parallelly we can start. You don't have any problem there. All are independent topics only, independent courses only. Even tomorrow if any batch is coming there, directly you can go and we can join with that. Remaining courses as per our flexibility we can join, but Java stream in the sense these two slots here we have to assign to me every day. 3 hours of time I'm going to take for the sake of the Java. Remaining time we can utilize as per our requirement. You can utilize for other courses depending on our requirement. Right, guys? All of you are getting clarity on this now? Right, so now that's all. Then tomorrow also we have a session. Tomorrow at what time we have to come there? Tomorrow at 7:30 only. Sunday is a holiday. On Monday onwards, 6 o'clock we have to attend there. Monday onwards, 6 o'clock we have to attend there. 6 to 7:30, 10 minutes break I will provide there in between. Then 7:30 or 7:40 I will start the course now up to maybe 9 or maybe 8:45 or 8:50. Whatever it may be depending on the content, I'm able to finish our classes. Sir, all of you get my point or not? Right, sir. That's all for today. Then tomorrow at 7:30 we will start and we will talk the remaining content there. Thank you, sir. Thanks a lot. We'll meet on tomorrow. Fine. Yeah, come. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, please, sir. We may leave, no problem. Yeah, exactly. Then see, the content is more. Then without completing that, how it is possible to complete our course? So then I have to teach more. But anyway, then I'm going to give some alternatives regarding this video support or maybe something else. No, but otherwise, as much as as much as possible, try to attend for the courses, right? That's the thing I'm telling you, right? Then you go ahead, no problem then, right? Yeah, yeah, yeah. But let us start at least, no, then tomorrow just come for the class, then we'll talk more about it. Right, thank you. Right, sir. గుర్తుకు వస్తుంది కానీ చెప్తాను ఒక్క నిమిషం. నేర్చుకున్నారా? ఓకే ఓకే ఓకే, చూసినట్లుంది కానీ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ గుర్తురావట్లేదు. ఆమా ఆమా నేను ఆ పాయింట్ ఎగ్జాక్ట్ మీకు ఉండే నాలెడ్జ్ని బట్టి నేను స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను క్లాసెస్. ఇప్పుడు ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ కోర్ జావా ఉంది, నేను ఇమీడియట్గా అడ్వాన్స్ జావా స్టార్ట్ చేయను. కోర్ జావాలో అడ్వాన్స్ జావా కావాల్సిన పార్ట్ ఎంతవరకు అయితే అయిపోతుందో అప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. అర్థమైంది కదా? ఇప్పుడు అడ్వాన్స్ జావా నడుస్తూ ఉంటుంది, అడ్వాన్స్ జావాలో ఎంతవరకు అయితే అయిపోతుంది నేను స్ప్రింగ్ స్టార్ట్ చేయొచ్చో అక్కడే స్టార్ట్ చేస్తాను. ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇక్కడ పాయింట్ ఏంటంటే అది అది ఆ సింక్ నేను మెయింటైన్ చేస్తాను, మీకు ఇబ్బంది లేదు. అది మీకు అట్లా ఎందుకంటే ఇప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ కోర్ జావా అయిపోయిన తర్వాత అడ్వాన్స్ జావా నేర్చుకున్నా అంటే 2 to 3 years పట్టింది జావా మొత్తం. ఆ, అందుకని ఈ ఆల్టర్నేటివ్ బెస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఇది. అది నేను చూస్తానమ్మా, మీకు ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. నేను ఎగ్జాక్ట్గా ఏ కోర్స్ అయితే మీకు ఎంతవరకు కంప్లీట్ అయితే ఏది స్టార్ట్ చేయాలో అది నేను చూసుకుంటుంది, ప్రాబ్లం లేదు. ఇంకా టైం పడుతుంది, ఇప్పుడే కాదు. నా బ్యాచ్ టైం పడుతుంది, వేరే ఫ్యాకల్టీ స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది మార్నింగ్ టైంలో. రైట్ వన్, థ్యాంక్ యూ guys, those who are in online, just 1 minute of time, then I will give clarity on each and every point. Don't worry, just 2 minutes of time, wait for it. Definitely I'll answer for all the questions, just wait for it. 2 minutes of time guys, don't worry. సో మాట్లాడు ఒకసారి, మళ్ళీ మాట్లాడు. డెఫినెట్లీ డ్రైవ్స్ ఉంటాయి, మనకి ఇబ్బంది ఏం లేదు. ఉంటాయి, కంపెనీస్ వస్తుంటాయి, కాకపోతే కోర్ జావాలో తక్కువ ఉంటాయి. ఫుల్ స్టాక్ వచ్చినప్పుడు వస్తుంది, డెఫినెట్లీ వస్తుంది, చెప్తా, ఇంటిమేట్ చేస్తాను మీకు, ఇబ్బంది లేదు. చెప్పాలి. 15th లోనా? 15th 2015లో జాయిన్ అయినా, 22లో వస్తున్నావు. ఓకే ఓకే, మరి ప్రజెంట్ ఏం చేస్తున్నారు? ఓకే 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 ఓకే. ఆఫీస్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ వచ్చారా? ఓకే ఓకే. ఎంత వస్తుంది ప్యాకేజ్, ఎంత వస్తుంది ఇప్పుడు ప్రజెంట్? 19 ఇస్తున్నారు, హ్యాపీ, ప్రశాంతంగా ఉంది ప్రజెంట్. 15th లో జాబ్ వచ్చింది కాబట్టి ఇంకేముంది, ఇంకా హ్యాపీగా. లేదు లేదు, పాండమిక్ తర్వాత ఇంకా ఈ ఫామ్ అవ్వట్లేదు బ్యాచెస్. అప్పుడు 1000 members 1200 ఉండేవాళ్ళు. అవునవును, ఇప్పుడే స్టార్ట్ అవుతుంది, ఇప్పుడు చిన్న చిన్నగా వస్తున్నారు. ఇంకా ఈ వైరస్ కరోనా పాండమిక్ అంతా ఆన్లైన్ ట్యూనింగ్ ఉండే, చిన్న చిన్నగా వస్తూ ఉన్నారు, టైం పుట్టేట్లుంది. డేటాబేస్ నుండి ఉంటుంది. అవునవునవును, రైట్. జస్ట్ ఒక 5 minutes నేను ఆన్సర్ చేసి వస్తాను. ఒక్కసారి అక్కడ ఎవరున్నారు ఆఫీస్లో, ఎవరు లేరు, వెళ్ళిపోయారా? సరే సరే అయితే ఒకసారి 5 minutes వస్తాను. కోచ్ బ్యాచ్ మార్నింగ్ టైమింగ్స్ 1 minute. That's Srikanth and just see core job morning timings. It may take some time, not immediately. Yeah, then fear details. Please better to talk with the admin people, guys, and not with me. After completing this core Java course, can able to pass clear below 3 exams there. One thing I'm telling there, this is not certification course. This is normal training only. OCJB certification in the sense maybe separate preparation is required. This is normal for the sake of getting jobs and all that I'm telling to you, right? Then I see with the classes, with my classes I can sure 85 to 90% of the score in the certifications. But the thing is like what there, then nowadays might be 80 or 85% is not sufficient. All right, then some different views going on there, right? In terms of videos, classroom notes and classroom application, study material, hard copy material is available to purchase it and learn it, and it can be able to pass the below. Three again, that's what I'm telling you. This is not certification course, Srikant. Okay. Then if you want to go for certification course, then better to go for alternative. And this is normal for everybody. Layman onwards, I have to take the content. Okay. Right. Like this. Can we just bring off learning core Java only? No, no, no. Advanced Java a little bit we required. Why? Because in Spring Framework, some modules are dependent on Advanced Java. So definitely we require Advanced Java courses also. If we have few doubts like online doubts will be solved here only, sir. Yes, exactly. Shobit, now here only we can type the questions and definitely I can watch continuously our chart. I'm able to give reply for it. Okay, don't worry. Parallel load session will be there, sir. Yes, exactly. If you type your question there, I can watch it and immediately I can give reply. Definitely. Yeah. If you have any questions there. Yeah. Yeah. Then Rajesh, I have 5 years of experience core electrical field. Now I'm thinking to shift IT side. It's good to go. Sir, please guide me. Definitely it's okay. But what's your background actually? BTech, right? BTech, right? Your background is what there? BTech only, right? Yeah, yeah, nice. It's okay then, but you have to keep some experience there. Then at least 3 years of experience if we keep there, then we are able to get it. Yeah. Triple E, it's okay, sir. Then it's open platform. Software industry is an open platform for everybody. Understand it now? Yeah, definitely. Software industry is an open platform for everybody. Okay. Yeah, diploma is this course for me? Diploma, which branch there? Better to complete, other than this diploma, better to complete some undergraduation, then it will be good. Rajesh, no problem. Right from core Java onwards, we have to do, then we have to complete up to full stack there. It may take 7 to 8 months of time to complete it. Otherwise, not possible. Yeah. 7 to 8 months of time it will take to complete full stack Java. Mohan. Full stack Java, it may take 7 to 8 months of time. Sir, if J2ME dependency is zero, how it is useful, sir? J2ME dependency is zero. What's the meaning of it? Not like that. The point is what? J2ME people are not using at present. No demand is available for it. J2ME demand is very, very less nowadays. Nobody's using that. People are moving for what there, some other technologies. Understand it now. Okay. Right, guys. All questions are completed. I think so. Shall we meet on tomorrow? And core Java, you have morning classes. Yeah, I have some other classes there, but morning time new core Java batch in the sense it may take some time, not immediately. At present, only these slots are available. I'm taking this. Maybe in the future, after maybe February or March. After March, I may conduct the class at morning time, not immediately. Okay. Right, guys. Shall we meet on tomorrow? Can I attend full stack Java course online? Yeah, sure, definitely. Yeah, full stack is going on at online and as well as in offline, both in both the classes, in both that all the courses are going to be happen. Whatever the batches are given there, all batches are going on in both online and as well as in offline. Okay. Yeah, guys. Then related to this fee and all these things, just reach out to our office. Our office people will give more clarity on it. Then better send a mail to Durgasoft online training, Durgasoft online training at gmail.com. Just better send request mail to this ID, then our people will be in contact with you. They will give more clarity on these courses and all. Fee related things, just better talk with our office guys, not with me. Yeah, right, sir. Then Ankara, then that issue came to us actually. Maybe then our admin people will talk with you regarding that. Yeah, exactly. Then I think so might be paid something there yesterday, but our admin people will talk with you regarding that invoice and all these things. I think so. Then Durgasoft is not having such type of formal. Maybe they're able to provide some receipt kind of things there. Anyway, then our admin people will talk with you regarding that. Okay. No job support guys. Then we are only purely providing training only, not any other one. On desktop, Ankara, then please check this on desktop. It is available, right? The link, the same link for the sake of these notes. Just we can use the same link. Core Java 7:30 p.m. notes. tinurl.com, Core Java 7:30 p.m. notes. Use that. Then you are able to see that regular notes. Okay, right. Yes, Ankara, then there is some issue with our payment and all these things, no? Then our admin will talk with you regarding that. Don't worry. Thank you. Okay, guys, that's all for today. Then I'll meet on tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to see the remaining content. Okay. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Fine. Core Java course completion certificate will be provided. Yes, definitely, Dasari Srikant. Core Java course completion certificate will be provided. The conduct service from Durgasoft, yeah, will be provided. Thank you. Shalom. Then can a commerce graduate learn Java directly without proper knowledge and get job? It's somewhat difficult, but right from core Java, if we start now, right from basics only we are going to start, then it may be possible, but somewhat difficult. Abhinav Chandra, what you are asking, sir? 1 minute, 1 minute. I have not seen any message from you, Abhinav Chandra. Please resend the message what you sent there. Yeah, 1 minute. When is full stack course is going to be started? Yeah, Abhinav, then today itself we can understand is a starting point for Java, full stack Java. Today is a starting point for full stack Java. Today onwards, I'm going to continue the schedules, right? Yeah, we can think of it. Today is the first starting point for this Java. What is the prerequisite to learn core Java? Not required. Directly you can come to the core Java classes. No need to understand anything previously. Okay? They can directly attend for this core Java classes. If anything is required, then I'll take care about it. If anything is required from C, C++, I'll take care about it. Don't worry for it. How many months does it will take to complete full stack Java? 7 to 8 months of time it will take, sir. Not immediately. Minimum 7 months of time I have to take. Why? Because nearly 15 courses we have to complete. That to parallelly we have to attend. Not like one after another. Okay? Yeah, thank you. Thank you. All right. Anything else, guys? Shall we meet on tomorrow? Tomorrow at 7:30? Tomorrow at 7:30. Yeah, thank you. Thanks a lot, guys. Then tomorrow we'll meet at 7:30. Thank you.